Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to fix WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile. It's a step-by-step tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard and you need to end up in your admin area. What you're going to do is just going to install a plugin. WordPress site not displaying correctly on mobile, it only occurs when your website is not optimized for mobile. So we are going to add a plugin which can help us out and do everything for us. So what we are going to do, go to plugin, click on add new plugin. It will take us to where we can easily add plugins, and we are going to search for AMP4WP. So you will see something like this. This is the red logo which we are going to install. So you can see the accelerated mobile pages. So this is one of the best tool which you can use from this plugin. Just click on install now, wait for it to turn it to activate, click on activate. Once you click on activate, it would take us over here. So they will ask you like choose option panel view. You can go with the basic and advanced. Right now I'm going with the basic. You can also switch it up as much as you want. We have website type. You can change the website type for your website. We have like where do you need AMP? Just choose that. Where do you need it? And you can mark those pages also. We have design and presentation. You can set it up and every single detail related to your mobile. So what happens that you can add compatibility, advertisement, privacy settings, analytics, which will make your website display correctly on your mobile and optimize your mobile website. So do all those stuff, and after that your WordPress site, it will start displaying correctly on your mobile phone. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.